So what are the best penny stocks to buy on October 30th, 2024? Well, number one recommendation is Tharimmune Inc. Stock symbol THAR. It is up today 104% or $2.13, trading at $4.16. Since this morning, it already traded 53 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $10 million. So it looks like it's a pharmaceutical company based on the word immune inside of its name. And this is a typical story for a pharmaceutical penny stock. 6 months ago, it used to trade at $6.40. Then apparently they couldn't produce any kind of good results in terms of creating new medication. So the stock collapsed from $6.40 to like $1.60. And obviously, you know, nobody was interested in that stock. There was no buyers, there was no trading volume. However, some kind of news arrived today. They probably got some, you know, good results for the clinical trials. Maybe they got approval for the medication they were trying to make. But the main thing is the market suddenly got interested in that stock, and a lot of new buyers are coming in. That's where you get this volume of 53 million shares. And plus, you know, when the stock jumps basically 100%, that means that, you know, the number of buyers is almost like doubled or tripled to create such a push. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look at the company, see what kind of news they released, and possibly put some money into it. So Tharimmune Inc. stock symbol THAR, only $4.05 a share. Next one is NSYS Bioscience, stock symbol ENSC. It is up today 75% or 31 cents, trading at 72 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded, listen to this, 338 million shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. So apparently this company already was releasing some news about a couple of weeks ago. It produced one huge spike when the stock went from 20 cents to like 50 cents. And then it kind of collapsed again. But then today's news are kind of repeating what happened 2 weeks ago. So, but when the company starts to have this spike kind of like often close to each other, that means that something major is being released by this company in terms of news, and the buyers are coming in. So especially when you see 338 million shares in trading volume, that means that everybody and their brother want to get on this deal and try to get those stocks while it's cheap, and hopefully ride it all the way when it goes to, I don't know, much higher. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what kind of news they released, and if they sound, you know, solid and promising enough, maybe put some money into it. So NSYS Biosciences, stock symbol ENSC, only 72 cents a share. Next one is Vast Renewables Limited, stock symbol VSTE. It is up 61% or 62 cents, trading at $1.63. Since this morning, it already traded 1.4 million shares. Market cap of the company is about $60 million. So I don't think this is a pharmaceutical stock, but I like the name of the company, renewables. That seems very kind of interesting. So what can I tell you about this company? Back in June, it used to trade at $4.20. Then over the last 5 months, it pretty much collapsed to like 70 cents. So from 4.20 to 70 cents. That's a huge drop. So finally, oh yeah, and while it was collapsing, there was no trading volume. Nobody was interested in that stock. So pretty much kind of like a dying company. However, some kind of news were released today, and the jump of 61% kind of tells you that something major was released by this company. And when the stock is not being traded much and suddenly produces 1.4 million shares in trading volume, that means at least part of the market is paying attention to it. So if I were you, I would, definitely take a look and see what kind of news they're releasing, and if they, if they sound interesting, and especially this word renewables, I don't know what they did. Maybe it's some kind of recycling technology they produced. I don't know. But the main thing is that I think you should take a look and see what's going on, because if you decide to jump in right now at $1.63 and this thing goes back to $4.20, you'll make 300% profit. So, but obviously it's up to you to make this decision if you're ready to jump in. So, Vest Renewables Limited, stock symbol VSTE, only $1.63 a share. Next one is Unisys Corporation, stock symbol UIS. It is up today 31% or $1.71, trading at $7.09. Since this morning, it already traded 1.6 million shares. Market cap of the company is roughly $700 million. So I'm not sure what this company does, even though it sounds kind of familiar. The main thing is that the stock was actually building a pretty bullish trend since August 1st, when it was trading at around $3.50. In the next 3 months, it goes all the way to like $7, so pretty much doubles in price from $3.50 to $7. However, it couldn't hold itself at $7, so it collapsed back to like $5.50. So today, some kind of news were released, and the stock is producing pretty good gain. So the volume of 1.6 million shares is kind of like, I mean, it's a good volume for that stock, but it's not like crazy volume like with other stocks. So I'm not sure how bullish this company would be in the future, especially when you jump in at $7.04, which is a 6-month high. But I mean, if they got something interesting and the market is kind of like harvesting those shares, then maybe you should participate in it and put some money into it. So, but you have to take a look yourself. So Unisys Corporation, stock symbol UIS, only $7.04 a share. Next one is ASP Isotopes, stock symbol ASPI. It is up today 30% or $1.76, trading at $7.52. Since this morning, it already traded 43 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $700 million. So, what can I tell you about this company? I think this is a pharmaceutical company. And the reason I say that, because when they say isotopes, that's usually kind of nuclear medicine, when they do like MRIs or those scans where they use basically nuclear technology. So the main thing is that this stock was kind of like hovering around $2 for a very long time, for the last 5 months. Then some kind of news started to arrive, so it goes back. Well, actually it just happened on October 10th, but the stock started to go from $2 to $3, and then it produced a pretty big jump from $3 all the way to $7.50 in the last month. So I think that you should probably take a look at the company, even though it's kind of trading high right now. But it sounds like the market is really attracted to that stock, so maybe you should put some money into it. So ASP Isotopes, stock symbol ASPI, only $7.52 a share. If you want to find out other great penny stocks to buy, go to this website called PNNY.APP, and it will take you to my app for iPhone, Android, and Amazon Fire tablets called Penny Gems. That's the name of the app. It covers 2,000 stocks, and you will always know what are the best to buy. Thank you for your time. and good luck trading. Bye-bye now.